remember a time when if you ever mentioned UFOs or aliens, you were actually considered a kook, and the mainstream media didn't even think of talking about a story related to that because they were fearful that it would ruin their credibility, and actually it would ruin their credibility. Well, here's yet another example of another mainstream media source that is actually publishing a story which, even though it sounds absurd, lots of people are biting it hook, line, and sinker. Now, there's a prophetic reason for this, and I'm going to get into it for a second, but let me read this article for you. This is in Israeli National News. The article says Uri Geller warns NASA to prepare for impending alien invasion. By the way, if you don't know who Uri Geller is, very, very famous magician, Hebrew, Israeli magician. Very interesting what he says here, and I'm going to read this. This is really amazing. He says, Israeli magician Uri Geller has warned NASA that an alien invasion of Earth will take place in the near future. According to the Daily Star, the mentalist famous for bending spoons believes that scientists studying interstellar radio waves stumbled upon an alien armada heading straight towards us. He points to the recent discovery of an immense ball of energy only 4,000 light years away. Geller, age 75, believes the energy source is evidence of the communication of alien beings far superior to humans. Look at what he says. I'm going to quote this and then I'll end reading the rest of the article. He says, a team mapping radio waves in the universe has discovered something unusual that releases a giant burst of energy 3 times an hour, and it's unlike anything astronomers have seen before. No doubt in my mind that this is connected to alien intelligence way, way, way superior than ours. Start deciphering their messages. They are preparing us for a mass landing soon. That's what Geller tags NASA on social media when he says this. Now, again, you might be listening to this article and think, well, that's a little crazy. And for many people it is. And quite frankly, it really is. But you have to understand something. There is something that's coming to this earth very, very soon. There is something that's going to happen that is going to be unbelievable to so many. And that is going to be the rapture of the church. And when the rapture of the church happens, these people are going to need a way to be able to explain it off. They are going to need to be able to explain to the whole world that we know about these aliens, and these aliens somehow have taken away the believers. That's what happened, and not the rapture. Folks, I'm telling you, that is exactly the idea that Satan is trying to brew around in the minds of many people.